Hey guys, in this video, I will show how to use vlookup. Use vlookup when you need to find things in a table or arrange by a row. Finding data in small spreadsheet is easy, but not in a sheet which has huge amount of data. So let's see how to use vlookup. Here, I have a small data with the columns name, age and mobile number. So let's find data from this table. So type equals vlookup and tab. And first select the column from which you need the details to be found or extracted. And then enter the column number from which you need the details. And then type false to find the exact match and then enter. You can drag the formula for the rest of the cells. The formula can be used to find details from a different spreadsheet. So type vlookup and select the column from which you need the details and select the spreadsheet from which you need the details to be extracted or found, and repeat the same formula to type the column number and then false, then enter, and again you can drag the formula for the rest of the cells. Finding details is easy with vlookup. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.